Firstly, I will say thank you. Great thanks to JJ and to all the colleagues of Nemix. So it's my honor to be here with my boss Luis and our team together. So I'm so excited today because it's a new day for us, for Exfusion and Nemix. It's a milestone for us because we have today we have the opening ceremony for our factory, John Factory. And I will say Nemix is not only our toppest partner in Spain, but also in Europe and in the international business. So I do hope together with you guys, we can much more closer and we can dig in more business together and we can be in the future together. Thank you so much.